X³ enhances image clarity, making details sharper and edges more defined. Temperature range -20 to 150 degrees and 150 degrees to 450 degrees. Dual system compatible with both Android and iOS. 15 times digital zoom brings distant or tiny targets closer. Measurement tools, multiple options, point, line, area, and circle, plus max, MN, and center temperature markers. Customizable colors make data easier to read. 12 color palettes to highlight targets under different environments and contrasts, making hot and cold spots stand out clearly. Capture supports photos and videos. In the gallery, you can re-edit images, change palettes, add temperature points, or adjust the scale for better review. Picture-in-picture adjustable size and transparency lets you compare thermal and visible images side by side for accurate positioning. Image control, brightness, contrast, isotherm scale, mirroring and rotation. Flexible adjustments to suit any environment or user preference. Refresh one-tap image refresh keeps the view stable and data accurate.